Magandang umaga. Wow, everyone is beaming with pride. Heidelin, question and answer portion tayo to welcome everybody. Sige. Heidelin, for you, my question is, what is the most important thing one should carry so that you can achieve victory? Ano yung pinaka-importanting kailangan natin buhatin so that we can achieve victory?
Trust at maniwala, believe sa sarili. Kay God, sa Diyos, at sa sarili. Napaka-importante.
Thank you for carrying all of us, always. Emotional ako. I'm sure na kayo din. But give it up for Heidelin Diaz, everyone. We're gonna see you. Thank you for being with us in this celebration. Thank you, Heidelin.
Good morning sa lahat. Kahit magulo sa labas, nandito tayo sa pinaka-happiest.
Thank you, Heidelin. Thank you so much.